So the sketch builds on itself. Here's another. Hi, so I'm in my furniture making studio at the moment, and this week I'm going to be starting a new project. It's going to be a small cabinet that borders on art and furniture. And the reason I call it art furniture is because it's going to involve the coloring of wood, the infusion of dye into the wood. So it's not going to be a conventional piece of furniture. It's going to have some eye-popping color in it that satisfies my artistic side. So I'm a furniture maker and an artist, and I'm striving to combine the two into one piece. So this will satisfy both. I think I'd go along in that direction for a while and see what happens. So let's look forward. I'll give some updates on the project as the week goes along and into next week. Thanks. So the sketch builds on itself. Here's another.